Namaste. I am Professor M.G. Chandrakant, a former director of the Institute for Social and Economic Change and former professor of agricultural economics at UAS Bangalore. Today I am discussing about the likely burden on the car owners of Bangalore due to the recent car parking fee supposed to have been fixed by the BBMP. Now, the annual fee of the permit of the car has been fixed at rupees 1000 for small cars, rupees 4000 for medium cars, and rupees 5000 for SUVs. The parking fee per day thus ranges from rupees 2.75 per day to rupees 13.7 per day, which is very meager. And an applicant can get the permit for only one vehicle. The permit will be issued as long as the parking does not disturb the movement of emergency vehicles. Even then, the permit does not guarantee a free spot, but only authorizes the holder to park his vehicle as long as he or she is the resident of the road or the street and can prove that he or she lives in a building that does not violate the approved plans and zonal regulations. Now, I am just comparing the burden across in percentage basis. The cost of the new car may range from rupees 5 lakhs to rupees 15 lakhs. Therefore, the depreciation of the car, assuming around 10 years as the life, ranges from rupees 137 per day to rupees 410 per day. Therefore, the parking fee of rupees 2 rupees 75 per day to rupees 13.7 per day forms only 2 to 3% of the depreciation. Okay, so the burden is not anything great at all. Now, let us compare with the private parking space, which we should not be strictly compared, but let us just compare to have a comparative idea. The private parking space may cost around rupees 36,000 to rupees 60,000 per year, assuming around 3,000 per month to about 5,000 per month, okay, which works to around 100 rupees to 165 rupees per day. That is as a parking space. Of course, it will have shelter and other things, but I'm just giving a comparison. Compared to this, the car parking permit fee of the BBMP, which is rupees 2.75 per day to rupees 13.7 per day, is a minuscule. This again forms about 2.75% to 8.3% of the private parking space, and as I mentioned, around 2 to 3.3% of the annual depreciation. Therefore, the parking fee permit to be imposed by BMP is very minuscule, and car owners can jolly well pay this fee if this can provide an assured space in front of their home as the first preference, or at least in their street as second preference. Now, compared to, let us see the salaries, compare the salaries. So, I assume that the car owners' salary is at least 50,000 rupees per month, or which works to put about 1,666 per day. So, even when compared to this monthly income, the car parking permit forms only 0.16% to 0.8%, so less than 1% of the monthly income. So you can see that the car parking fee by the BBMP is not at all a burden to any common person, and the common person, the car owner in Bangalore, should be prepared to pay this for the benefit of the welfare of Bangalore, and also for providing amenities, etc. And also the amenities are quite available for the citizens. Now, because of this, we can also ask the corporation or the BBMP to, as a matter of right, to have our parking space. That is next item in the minds of the common people. So this is just to educate the people regarding the parking fee and its likely burden on the common man, which is virtually nothing, just forms around 2% of the total depreciation. And very less, just 2% of the private parking space. And when you compare this with the Western countries, the taxation rates are quite high, and of course there the facilities are also quite high. And perhaps here also, when the government generates the funds, the BBMP, they will also be prepared to pay the give the facilities. So that's all. Namaste.